Isn't it amazing? It's so beautiful even in winter. Well, if you can count winter as 20 degrees Celsius. I don't, but I have seen many local people having a winter jacket on, which made me confused. But then again, this is probably the lowest temperatures they are getting throughout the year. So maybe that's why. So yes, there is also a small island with a Greek flag on. So I'm a bit puzzled if that island belongs to Greece or Cyprus. It's very sketchy. I mean, nobody would live on the island, but I know that Greece has tons of islands. Not sure how many islands has Cyprus, but cool. Merry Christmas, Feliz Navidad, Kalo Christugina, Second Bojik to all my subscribers and viewers that are celebrating Christmas right now. So now it's time to take a swim. So let's go. Hello, Fig Tree Bay. We meet once again, this time on Christmas Eve. Yes, today is 24th of December and there is practically no one on the beach, this popular beach that's overcrowded in summer. On this Christmas Eve day, there are around 20 people on the beach only. And there are no sunbeds or umbrellas in this period of the year. And yes, I am once again in Protaras now in December. So I was staying here in Protaras in August and September for 7 days. And I have visited this beach so many times back then. And now I'm staying in the Napa and I'm exploring mostly the beaches there. But today I thought to come here and explore this beach once again. And for that occasion, I actually took a run from my hotel, Sun Prime, a Napa Suites, all the way here, across the forest and the mountain. It was total of 10 kilometers exactly. It took me 56 minutes. It was quite a route there. I was passing by a shooting range, so I hear also some gunshots. I was meted by some hunting dogs also, so it was the journey, to say the least. So right now I'm so happy I'm back here and to spend the Christmas and New Year's holidays here in Fig Tree Bay. So it's quite the view today, I would say. There is currently nobody in the water, so I'm gonna be that person that takes a swim. And the water looks amazing. Right now it's 10 degrees colder than in the winter, so around 20 degrees Celsius right now compared to 30 when it was in August. So let's then dive in. As I mentioned, it's called Fig Tree Bay because there are fig trees around the beach that look quite nice, to say the least. And the water is crystal clear, as you can see. It's the same color as I have seen it in the winter. Beautiful. And after a few days of wind, now we are back to no wind. So you see the water is flat. I really enjoyed the waves yesterday at Makonisos beach. It was nice there. Cool, this is day 4 of my 2-week vacation. So it's gonna be a lot more beach adventures coming in your way. I will also later explore that island over there because there were nice corals over there when I did my snorkeling tour. And yes, I will leave it up to you also to decide if this beach is the best one in Cyprus or a Napa, the Nisi beach that's located in a Napa, that I also made an episode 2 days ago. So here the bottom is like super sandy, and the color of the water looks great. And this is how the beach looks like from the sea. It is 11 a.m. right now. I don't think there will be a lot of people coming in later. It is also holiday here in Greece, so many people are visiting the church, the Orthodox church here, as the Cyprus people and Greek people are celebrating Christmas right now, even though they are Orthodox, because all of the other Orthodox churches are celebrating it on 6th January Christmas Eve and 7th of January Christmas Day. Alright, now let's dive in this paradise, because it looks so inviting, it looks so nice. 20 degrees in the water, around 20 degrees in the air also as well. So let's go. I really needed that after the 10K run from Napa to Protaras. But I forgot to mention that you don't need to run from Napa to Protaras, because there are very convenient buses, number 101 that goes from Napa to Protaras, and 102 that goes the opposite direction, at the price of only €1.50. So on the way back I might take the bus if I feel a bit tired. Otherwise I'm gonna run not through the forest, because it's gonna be dark. I'm gonna take the road and it's longer. So let's see what I'm gonna do. I'll keep you updated. But before I wrap up, I'm gonna leave you with this beautiful view of Fig Tree Bay Beach in Protaras, Cyprus, that you can see. So beautiful. The color of the water is absolutely amazing. You can't tell if this is high summer or December. It doesn't feel like Christmas when you can take super nice swim in the sea on 24th of December, that is today. So yeah, Merry Christmas, Feliz Navidad, Καλό Χριστούγεννα, Srećan Božić to all my subscribers and the people that watch, that are celebrating Christmas today or tomorrow. So thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris. Bye.